Installing a PCIe riser and PCIe adapter. The PCIe riser and PCIe adapter replacement procedures for the SR850 V3 and SR850 V4 are identical. An SR850 V3 is used in this video for demonstration purposes. Align the PCIe adapter with the slot on the PCIe riser card and insert it. Fasten the screw to secure the PCIe adapter to the PCIe riser. Align the rear of the PCIe riser with the corresponding rail guides in the rear of the chassis, and then carefully press the PCIe riser straight down into the chassis until it is fully seated. If applicable, connect the PCIe adapter signal cable or power cable. Install the rear top cover. Install the front top cover.